So good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 5 of our book, Moments. The name of the chapter is The Happy Prince. So it is a story of a prince, as the title itself says, Happy Prince, a prince who was happy. But in the story, you would come to know that he was actually not very happy when we meet him. And what makes him unhappy is also told in the story. So let us start reading the story. Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. He was covered with gold and had sapphires for eyes and a ruby in his sword. Why did he want to part with all the gold that he had and the precious stones? तो हैप्पी प्रिंस एक स्टैचू है जो कि पूरा गोल्ड लीफ के साथ कवर्ड है और उसकी आईज में सफायर है. सफायर इज वेरी प्रीशियस जेम एंड उसके जो स्वॉर्ड का हिल्ट है, हैंडल है, उसके ऊपर भी रूबी लगा हुआ है. रूबी इज ऑल्सो अ जेम. And in this story, we'll read that why does he want to get separated from all his precious and valuable gems. High above the city on a tall column stood the statue of Happy Prince. Tall column means on a tall pillar. There was a statue of Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes, he had two bright sapphires and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. Hilt means handle, glowed means shone, gleamed. Sapphire, again, I've already told you it is a gem. So उसके जो बॉडी था उसके ऊपर सारे thin leaves of gold लगे हुए थे. Its body was covered with thin leaves of gold and it has two sapphires in place of eyes, and on the sword hilt, the handle of the sword, there was a ruby which was shining. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. Swallow is a bird. और एक रात उस सिटी पे फ्लाई करते हुए एक swallow आया. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. उसके जो friends थे वो सारे Egypt जा चुके थे 6 weeks पहले ही, and he was the only one who was left behind. And he also decided to go to Egypt. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. For a whole day, he just flew here and there in the city to reach his destination. And when it was night time, he arrived at a city. Where shall I put up? He said. I hope that the town has made preparation. Put up means live. So he asked himself, where shall I live? I hope the town has made preparations. I hope the town has made arrangements for my stay. Then he saw the statue on the column, और फिर उसने statue देखा column पे. Column again is a tall pillar. I will put up there. Put up there means I will stay there. He cried. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. So he felt that this position where he was getting placed to live was quite good because he could inhale fresh air. And so he landed. Lighted means landed just between the feet of the Happy Prince. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around. जैसे ही उसने अपने आसपास घूम के देखा, he felt that उसका जो bedroom था, it was all golden because the Happy Prince was made up of gold. And he prepared to go to sleep, but just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. But जैसे ही he was going to sleep, he was getting ready to sleep, and he just put his head under his wings. उसने अपने head को cover किया अपने wings के साथ सोने के लिए. He just felt that a huge drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. और उसने सोचा कितनी अजीब बात है, कितनी curious चीज है. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. Now he is saying that the sky is clear. There are no clouds. The sky is full of shining stars, and still it is raining. Then another drop fell. और उसके बाद दूसरी drop उस पे गिरी. What is the use of a statue if it can't keep the rain off? Keep the rain off means if it can't protect me from the rain. What is the use? What is my use of staying in the feet of this statue if it can't protect me from the rain. He said, I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly away. He wanted to look for some other place to stay. He thought that he would stay in a chimney pot, and so he was determined to fly away from that place. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw. What did he see? और इससे पहले कि वो वहां से उड़ जाता, a third drop of water again fell on him, and he looked up, and what he saw, he is going to explain in the next paragraph. The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. Happy prince की eyes जो थी, his eyes were filled with tears. आंखें उसकी आंसुओं से भरी हुई थी, और उसके जो tears थे, they were rolling down his cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. और उसका face moonlight में इतना beautiful लग रहा था that he felt pity for the happy prince, statue of the happy prince. Who are you? He said. उसने पूछा कौन हो तुम? I am the happy prince. Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. You have quite drenched me. वो कहता है कि अगर तुम happy prince हो तो तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? तुमने मुझे भिगो दिया है. Drench means made wet. You have made me wet. भिगो देना. When I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I didn't know what tears were, for I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. वो कहता है कि जब मैं alive था, now Happy Prince is telling this to the little bird swallow. He's saying that when I was alive और मेरे पास human heart था which could feel everything, I didn't know what tears were. मुझे नहीं पता कि आंसू क्या होते हैं. For I lived in the palace, क्योंकि मैं पैलेस में रहता था. Where sorrow is not allowed to enter. Where जहाँ पे दुख को, sorrow को enter करने की permission नहीं होती. My courtiers called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was. और मेरे जो courtiers थे, वो मुझे happy prince कहते थे. And indeed means actually I was very happy. So I lived and so I died. और मैं ऐसे ही रहा, जिंदा रहा और ऐसे ही मरा. कैसे? Happy. I was, मैं खुशी से जिंदा रहा और खुश ही मरा. Means I felt happy throughout my life. I never faced any sorrow. I never faced any difficulty. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, yet I can't choose but weep. तो वो कहता है कि अब जब मैं मर चुका हूँ, when I am dead, मेरे जो courtiers हैं, they have set me up here, means they have placed me at such a high position that I can see all the ugliness, all the misery of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, चाहे मेरा जो heart है that is made of lead, lead means metal, चाहे वो मेरा दिल जो है वो metal का बना हुआ है, but I can't choose but weep. पर फिर भी मैं सिर्फ रो सकता हूँ, मैं choose नहीं कर सकता कुछ भी, but I can weep only. What? Is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remark. So जो swallow है, little bird है, he gets surprised that isn't he made of gold only, pure gold only? And he felt so polite that when he saw the condition of the happy prince, he felt so pity for him that he did not comment on him. No personal comment was given to him by that little bird. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away in the little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it, I can see a woman seated at a table. So वो कहता है, अब now Happy Prince is telling this to the little bird. वो कह रहा है, दूर एक छोटी सी गली में एक घर है, और उस घर की एक window open है. One of the windows is open, and through that window, what I can see is that there is a woman who is sitting at a table. Her face is thin and worn. Worn means very tired, exhausted. उसका चेहरा काफी पतला और exhausted है. And she has coarse red hands all pricked by needles. for she is a seamstress. तो कहते हैं और उसके जो हाथ हैं वो सारे रफ हैं. coarse means rough. She has rough hands और उसके हाथ सारे ही पेक्ड हुए हुए हैं. उसके हाथों पे होल्स हैं विद द नीडल. क्यों? क्योंकि she is a tailor. वो टेलर है इसलिए वो काम करती है, इसलिए उसके हैंड्स रफ हैं और उसके हाथों पे सब नीडल्स के साथ होल्स हुए हुए हैं. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor to wear at the next court ball. And what she is doing? She is preparing a satin gown. Satin is a type of cloth. तो कपड़ा होता है satin का, उसके ऊपर embroidery कर रही है वो flowers की, ताकि जो उसकी queen की maid of honor है, that special maid of the queen, she should be able to wear that gown in the court ball. Court ball means a dance in the court. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. और उस रूम के एक कॉर्नर पे बेड पे एक लिटिल बॉय है जो कि बीमार है and is lying there. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. और उसको बुखार है और वो अपनी मदर को क्या कह रहा है? Oranges देने के लिए. He wants oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he's crying. पर उसकी मदर के पास कुछ भी नहीं है उसे देने के लिए except river water. That is why that little boy is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? क्या तुम मेरी जो तलवार का हैंडल है उसमें से रूबी निकाल के उस लेडी को नहीं दे के आओगे? My feet are fastened. Fastened means tied, बंधे हुए to this pedestal and I can't move. Pedestal is the raised platform. अब मेरे जो पैर हैं वो इस raised platform के साथ बंधे हुए हैं, इसलिए मैं यहाँ से move नहीं कर सकता. So he seeks help of that little bird to give ruby to the lady. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. Swallow ने कहा कि मेरी इजिप्ट में वेट हो रही है. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. Now the bird is telling that his friends have reached Egypt. They are there in near the Nile river. They are enjoying their time in Nile in the nature, talking to the flowers, and they will soon go to sleep. And before that, I have to reach there. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. So prince उसको क्या request करता है? That for one night you stay here with me and you be my messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother is so sad. He said, prince ने कहा क्योंकि messenger मेरे बन जाओ तुम आज के लिए, क्योंकि boy जो है is very thirsty and that mother is very sad because he can't give anything to her boy. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. I want to go to Egypt. अब swallow ने कहा कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि I like boys, मुझे boys अच्छे लगते हैं, मुझे इजिप्ट वापस जाना है. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. तो उसने कहा कि उसने उस प्रिंस का सैड फेस देखा and he said that यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है, but even then I will agree to what you are saying. I will be your messenger for one day. So today we'll read up to here and we'll continue our class tomorrow. I hope the chapter is clear to you till this paragraph.